Hey guys, let's talk about the future. It's here and it's powered by AI. You hear it everywhere, right? But what does it really mean for you? It means opportunity, big opportunity. Imagine a world where you can work smarter, not harder. A world where you can reach more customers than ever before. A world where you can finally ditch your boss and be your own boss. That's the power of AI. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech genius to use it. You don't need to know how to code. All you need is the right information and the right tools. This is your chance to get ahead of the curve, to build the future you've always dreamed of. Are you ready to crush it? Look around. Business is changing faster than ever. The old ways of doing things, they don't cut it anymore. AI is like having a team of robots working for you 24/7. They can analyze data, personalize marketing campaigns, and even write content. Think about it, more leads, more sales, more money in your pocket. But here's the thing, your competitors are already using AI. They're getting a head start. You snooze, you lose. It's time to step up your game and unlock the power of AI for yourself. This isn't just about keeping up, it's about getting ahead. It's about winning. I know what you're thinking. AI sounds complicated. I'm not a tech guy. Listen up, I get it. I'm not an engineer either. But that's the beauty of it. You don't need to be. There are tons of AI tools out there that are incredibly user friendly. They're designed for everyday people, just like you and me. We're talking drag and drop interfaces, simple dashboards, and easy to understand reports. Think of it like using your smartphone. You don't need to know how to code to send a text or browse the internet, right? AI tools are the same way. They're ready to use right out of the box. So ditch the excuses. You have the power to leverage AI right at your fingertip. Let's face it, the market is crowded. Everyone's vying for attention. You need to cut through the noise and grab people's attention. That's where AI comes in. AI can help you create marketing campaigns that are laser focused on your ideal customer. Imagine knowing exactly what your customers want before they even do. AI can make that happen. Personalized emails, targeted ads, even chatbots that feel like you're talking to a real person. AI can do it all. It's like having a superpower that gives you an unfair advantage. Don't blend in, be the brand that everyone remembers. Be the one who's using AI to crush the competition. Section 5, my AI aha moment, from skeptic to believer. Look, I'll admit it, I was hesitant about AI at first. Thought it was just a bunch of hype, but then I saw it in action. We started using AI-powered tools at VaynerMedia, and the results were insane. Our campaigns were more effective, we were reaching more people, and our ROI went through the roof. I was blown away. That's when it hit me. AI isn't just a trend, it's the future, and those who embrace it will be the ones who win. I'm telling you, this stuff is real. It's time to open your mind and see the possibility. Section 6, unlearn, discover, execute, your roadmap to AI mastery. All right, ready to dive in? Here's the deal. Mastering AI is a journey, not a sprint. It's about unlearning old ways of thinking, discovering new possibilities, and then executing with confidence. First, forget everything you think you know about marketing and technology. Be open to new ideas. Embrace the unknown. Next, start exploring the world of AI. Read articles, watch videos, listen to podcasts. There's a ton of free information out there. Finally, take action. Don't be afraid to experiment with different AI tools. The more you use them, the more comfortable you'll become. This is your chance to reinvent yourself, to become the leader you were born to be. Section 7, dive in and experiment. The water's fine. I'm a big believer in just doing it. Don't overthink it. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best way to learn is by diving in head first. Start small. Pick one AI tool that interests you and give it a try. There are plenty of free trials and affordable options available. The key is to get your hands dirty and start experimenting. You'll be surprised how quickly you pick it up. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. The only difference is they took action. Section 8, the clock is ticking. Don't wait another second. The future is being written right now, and you have a choice to make. Are you going to be a spectator or are you going to be a player? The longer you wait, the further behind you'll fall. Your competitors are already making moves. Don't let them leave you in the dust. This is your wake-up call. The time for excuses is over. The time for action is now. Section 9, your AI adventure starts now. Download the free ebook. Ready to unlock the power of AI and transform your business? I've got you covered. I've created a free ebook called The Ultimate Guide to AI in Digital Marketing. It's packed with practical tips, actionable strategies, and real-world examples to help you get started. This ebook is your roadmap to success. It's time to stop dreaming and start doing. Download your free copy now, and let's crush it together.